There was a farmer named Tariq who lived in a small village on the outskirts of the city. Tariq was a simple man, but he had a kind heart and loved his work on the farm.
Daily sunrise. Farm work starts. His farm was full of different animals, such as cows that gave him fresh milk, chickens that laid eggs every day, and sheep that provided him with wool. Tariq loved spending time with each of his animals, feeding them and taking care of them. One day, Tariq decided to plant a new piece of land after finishing the harvest from the previous season. He began preparing the soil and plowing it, but something strange happened. When he began planting, he felt that the land wasn't as fertile as it used to be, as if it lacked life. Tariq thought for a moment, then decided to care for the land in a different way. He began fertilizing the soil using natural materials like organic compost and planted trees that would provide shade and protection to the plants. He also expanded the irrigation system to ensure that over time, the land began to come back to life. The plants grew faster, and he had an abundant harvest. Tariq noticed that the land needed care and patience, and that nothing could be rushed. From this experience, he learned that hard work and patience were the keys to success. By the end of the season, Tariq stood smiling in the middle of his vast farm. Looking at the flourishing fields and the growing animals, he knew that his daily hard work, no matter how difficult, was what kept the farm alive and thriving.